Hey guys, today I will show you how to get iron ore in Monster Hunter World. Iron ore can be found in multiple fields. For this example, we will focus on the ancient forest. In the ancient forest, iron ore is best farmed by mining outcrops in areas like 2, 3, and 9. Run a loop through these zones and mine every outcrop you see for consistent drops. You can also get iron ore from quest rewards, especially early low-rank quests like 1-star Butting Heads with Nature, 2-star The Great Jagras Hunt, and 2-star The Great Glutton. These are good options if you want iron ore without free roaming. And that's how to get iron ore in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.